welcome. House tour. Come on. Come inside. We have refrigerator and upgraded lutuan. Look at that. Just touch, and it will activate. Then we have microwave from London, and this one from London din.
Oven.
We have exhaust fan, lutuan, a very clean lababo, ref, then come here. Meron kaming for display only, then 6-seater dining table, and a very beautiful mirror from London. Okay, come here. Living room. This is a folding
Kahit ano mo lang.
sofa bed.